Hi, welcome to Zimstech Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. In a significant move highlighting the collaboration efforts between Government Sports Administration and the private sector, the Minister of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, retired Lieutenant General Namo Sanyatwe, and the President of the Zimbabwe Football Association, ZIFA, Mr. Nqobile Magwizi, led a high-level delegation on a tour of the Yada Hotel owned by Prophet Walter Magaya. Prophet Walter Magaya, the owner of Yada Hotel, which has the Hart Stadium, personally welcomed the delegation and guided them through the premises. The tour reportedly included inspections of various facilities within the Yada premises, with a particular focus on areas that could potentially be utilized for sport-related activities. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe.